7 Mark IV. Taking picture quality to the next level with high resolution and outstanding expression. The newly developed 33-megapixel image sensor delivers high-resolution performance. Using the 33-megapixel resolution to express fine details and textures of subjects, as well as smooth gradations. Noise is well controlled, despite the high pixel count, thanks to the back-illuminated sensor structure. The wide dynamic range allows great expression flexibility during raw development. And the 10-bit HEIF still image format is also available. The adoption of the latest BIONZ XR engine delivers the high speeds and the latest image processing algorithms developed on the flagship model, the Alpha 1. The range of imaging expression includes smooth skin textures together with fine detail and outstanding color reproduction. Additionally, Creative Look provides 10 preset selections to create desired image moods, and users can enjoy further creative innovation by deploying their own custom looks based on those. The new BIONZ XR brings superb autofocus algorithms and real-time processing. Focal plane phase detection autofocus points cover a wide area at high density for increased autofocus extent, speed, and tracking performance. Even subjects with complex or unexpected motions are tenaciously tracked. Optimization of the focal plane phase detection autofocus also allows quick and accurate focusing when in AFS mode. The latest autofocus algorithms allow focusing in AFS mode down to EV-4 low light conditions. The detection of human eyes has been significantly improved, even with partially obscured faces. Real-time eye autofocus for animals is also provided, allowing continuous subject tracking in real time, even if the face turns left and right, or up and down. Alpha is not just about the camera. The integrated design includes the lighting system, with communication between camera body and genuine Sony flash units delivering stable lighting, and expanding the opportunities for visual expression. If genuine Sony flash units are connected to the Alpha 7 Mark IV, it can calculate appropriate flash illumination levels by pre-flashing for each frame, even during high-speed continuous shooting or when brightness changes. In combination with the camera's face detection, it's possible to achieve the optimal light intensity and white balance for ideal brightness and color when shooting portraits. Now, we are announcing 2 new robust, easily operable, powerful flash units that extract maximum performance from the Alpha cameras. The Alpha 7 Mark IV advances not just stills, but also movies to the next level. Thanks to the new BIONZ XR image processing engine, many of the same formats are available as on the Alpha 1 and the Alpha 7S Mark III, 10-bit 422 all-intra at up to 600 Mbps is provided for high image quality. When recording 4K movies at 30p, oversampled full pixel readout at 7K is performed to produce higher resolution 4K. Various frame rates are available for smooth expression, 4K 60p, and Full HD 120p recording are available, enabling slow-motion expression at up to 2.5 times in 4K and up to 5 times in Full HD. Autofocus is also vital for movies. The cameras and lenses in the Alpha series are designed as a system to achieve practically reliable autofocus even in difficult scenes. Even these leading-edge movie autofocus technologies would not be highly effective without Sony's genuine E-mount lenses, which employ the latest autofocus actuators. These leading-edge autofocus functions combine to track subjects robustly and to provide smooth slow motion at up to 2.5 times in 4K. And it's not only the lenses, the audio is also designed as a system of alpha. The multi-interface shoe employs a digital audio interface, which enables digital audio transmission without a cable, while also supplying power. With an XLR adapter kit, 4-channel 24-bit audio recording is possible. The Alpha 7 Mark IV is a true hybrid model designed to achieve outstanding operability and reliability, not only as a dedicated still camera, but also as a dedicated movie camera. For the increasing variety of use cases where stills and movies are both shot, it would be convenient if changing between the two could be done easily. The Alpha 7 Mark IV's new still, movie, slow and quick dial makes it possible. This dial is used exclusively to switch between still and movie modes. By switching this dial, menus switch as well, which are specific either stills or movies. And also, functions switch from stills to movies. Additionally, the Alpha 7 Mark IV now has an exposure compensation dial that can be customized. Features also include 5-axis optical in-body image stabilization. Sony will continue to provide systems with new value for creators going forward. The seamlessness offered by the one-mount platform, lighting systems that continue to advance along with camera body performance, and a wide variety of audio systems for a multitude of purposes, as well as expanding networking possibilities in coordination with Xperia, and expanding expressive possibilities along with AirPeak. A camera remote software development kit will further extend the wide range of applications. Sony will continue to drive advances across not just cameras, but the whole system, always expanding the infinite possibilities of imaging. The Alpha 7 Mark IV is the gateway to the system.
So there we go. We hope you've enjoyed this video and are excited about trying out the Alpha 7 IV. One thing that we've not covered yet is the availability and price, so there you go now. Thank you again for joining us, and stay tuned for more Alpha 7 IV news on our YouTube channel and Alpha Universe platform. Bye bye.